We always start our intro like, you go like, hey guys, or I'm like, sup guys, like that. And then she's like, oh my gosh. So anyway, so today we are doing our first like, oh yeah, what? Tell me. Pause it. Okay. Today we have a special guest, and her name is
Caitlin, and I am playing Fluttershy.
And obviously I'm playing my OC. This is my OC, you guys. It's just a lily blossom, but I renamed her Sapphire. I gave her a necklace and this thing. Yeah. And that's...
And my husband is Butterscotch, and this is my baby.
And that's just for your heart, but we pretend it's her baby.
Yeah.
Even though she's Cadence's baby in the show. Ah, get off me, stupid fly. We're outside. See? Beautiful, beautiful day.
It's a lovely day.
That actually looks like a tornado.
Wonderful time of the year.
And this is my husband, I'm a Blitz.
Hello, guys.
He does not sound like that. Whatever.
Bam.
And so
what?
Freaking Maddie here, and this is our little child, Scootaloo.
Bam.
Well, no. Well, yeah, we're just gonna call her Scootaloo because I can't think of another name for her. Would you quit acting like Maddie over there?
I'm not
Maddie. Get out of here, Scootaloo and Rainbow Blitz and Butterscotch. All right, so today we are gonna be doing a We're gonna be doing a tornado video, and if we ever hear a tornado, just go down in your basement and be safe from one because
if you have one.
If you have a basement. If you don't, then just go to the lowest spot in your house.
The bathroom.
With no windows, and yeah. And if you're outside, like we are right now, actually up there looks like there's gonna be a tornado, but there isn't. Are you okay?
Yeah.
But if you're like in a crowd like that, you just like lock the doors, seatbelt yourself, and like put something over your head. So be safe to a tornado. Message.
Or what? If you have one of those like things that you laid out in your car, you know, where we can get on the floor and hide, where I usually go. Remember that one time I went there on the dance?
Oh yeah!
If you have that, like where like it's in.
But if you're sitting in the front, you gotta be careful of the airbags. The freaking airbags. That'll suck. Anyway, so a message from us, me and Caitlin, stay safe during a tornado. They aren't a joke. Right?
Not a joke at all.
Because you live in Bryan, Texas. Woohoo! We almost had a tornado once, and out in 4th grade. It was horrible.
4th grade? It was in 4th grade?
Yeah, it was in 4th grade, remember? That's the big tornado that almost came in Bryan, Texas.
And then there was also one this summer.
Yeah, there was this one this summer.
Not this summer. Like.
It was Hurricane Harvey.
Yeah.
There was some tornado in Hurricane Harvey. Well, I think. Car passing by. So, hope you guys enjoy it.
And I will be cutting up grass to like throw around.
Like the debris outside.
Yeah. And I can make wind. Like it's easy. All I gotta do is just cut up grass and go.
We earlier we did this, and I just had the idea like, hey, we're gonna start recording, and so yeah, there won't be any tornado sirens because I can't do the same thing of a tornado siren because I can't edit.
If I had my phone.
If she had her phone, she lost her phone. Idiot. I'm kidding.
Oops.
She ripped out the freaking
I
roots.
guess this could be a tree that they have planted over here.
Like that big old thing right there.
Or it can go.
Oh!
Like
you just knocked them all down. Okay, guys, we're just gonna. You knocked the baby out. She knocked the baby out. Oh
my baby.
Okay, get the ponies back on here. It's Fluttershy.
And like, all I gotta do is like take off the dirt and hit it against.
Come on. Okay. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and okay, hold on a second. So enjoy! Woo!
So, have you heard about the hurricane happening?
I don't think it's just a hurricane, Fluttershy. I heard on the news that there might be a tornado.
What time? Do you think maybe like 6 o'clock? I heard that it was going to start at 6 or 7,
Somewhere around there, I think.
Well, at least we have to be inside by 5:30.
Yeah.
Just in case.
So it means we're going to have to go get everything, like supplies.
Packed up and everything. Well, let's
And because it's Thanksgiving. Well, and hold on one second.
Can me and Scootaloo have cookies or cupcake or candy? Peach?
Sure, sweetie.
Sure. Mwah. Thank you. You're the best.
Oh, we don't want to worry the kids about it, do we?
Nope. So we have to get everything packed up. We have to tell Sapphire and Rainbow Dash, and Rainbow Blitz, and Sapphire, and Soren.
And Soren. Oh, I forgot Soren was over here. Oopsies. And Sunny Rays. Yep.
Now let's go.
Let's go back inside. Sweet Celestia, help me. Ah, Sunny Rays! Sunny Rays! Sunny Rays!
So I called an adult meeting because we have to tell you something. There is going to be a tornado around 5:30, 6 o'clock.
What? Are you kidding me?
6:30, 7 o'clock.
This is gonna
So
suck.
we have to go. We have to fit everybody upstairs.
Well, that's a lot of ponies up here.
Yeah, we could fit back here. Like my baby, we could put like the itty bitty ones up here and like hide them or something.
But that's
don't.
open. That's opened up. Like it's out, stretched out that way. Act like it's not. Act like it's not. Okay.
But we could fit back here. My stupid wings. Oh yeah.
Oh, 1 second.
Well, we have to get all the kids up here, but
Yeah.
don't worry them, okay?
Yeah, I'll go get You get Scoodly and Blitz.
Come on.
Okay, kids, we're about to play a game. We are going to play hide and seek. Wait, let me get my dolly.
Okay. But we have to hide. Okay, kids, here we have to get up here.
It's just a good game of hide and seek.
Yep.
Who's speaking?
Tell that doggy to shush it, please.
Fluttershy, what are we going to do about midnight?
Just keep her upstairs with us.
But she's rowdy.
Put her to sleep.
What?
Don't kill her! No! Give her medicine. Give her food. That way she won't die, but she'll just fall asleep.
Sure, Fluttershy.
Come on, kids, let's go to sleep. It's time for sleepy. Okay.
You guys, is everything okay?
Yes, all the kids are asleep. Act like it.
There's a slight chance of a tornado, Sunny Rays.
Yeah, so get
What?
up here. Shh.
I'm just going to stay up here.
Okay. Well, act like everybody fell asleep. La, la,
It's
la,
really
la,
itchy out
like
here.
a little baby. La, la, don't goodbye.
I'm going to show you on this freaking camera.
Ooh.
Wait, no, shh. Ah! Oh, frick, they fell out. Oh, no. Okay. Let's get the I fell. Oh my gosh, Rainbow Blitz. Rainbow Dash. Okay, stop now. Caitlin, almost got your rainbow.
Oh no! Kids, wake up!
Oh, oops.
Wake up!
Oh crap. Oh my gosh, Caitlin.
I think I'm going mega.
Okay, well, we're going to restart this one.
Oh no, guys,
It's the tornado. Oh, okay.
starting.
Tornado? I never knew anything about tornado. Okay, Scootaloo, calm down. Oh gosh, I dropped the phone. Oh gosh, there's grass on the phone. Okay, come here, Scootaloo.
Guys, that blowing is wind.
Yeah. Midnight!
Ow.
The dog died.
Hey.
Ow, my hands hurt to death!
Okay, they're dead. Don't give me it.
Can you give my hand in it? Give my hand in it. Just don't give my face.
My face is probably in it. I don't care.
It's just over there. No! You said on.
Well, just give me that part. Get that part.
Okay.
I'm okay.
Whoa! I can't turn all the way around. Okay.
Okay, play.
Come on.
Come. Let me take my...
You guys, she's crazy. She's my friend. So do it,
Why are you
please.
calling her crazy, Ellie?
Oh, you heard me?
Yeah?
She's not crazy, you guys. I don't know if she heard me. She's Batman here.
I heard you then. Just don't...
Guys, she's Batman here.
Okay, I'm going to do a handstand. Oof, wait.
You crazy.
Let me do it.
You're gonna fall back. You're gonna fall on your back. Again. Come on, Caitlin. Don't be such a wimp. She's not a wimp, you guys. Just me. Woo! Good job. Can we come play now?
Okay, we can play now. Look at my face in it.
I just literally got your face in it.
Just block it out.
With what?
Just put we should have put paper. We should have taped paper on our faces.
Anyway, so
Oh my gosh, everybody get to the nearest ground.
the dog just jumped out of the freaking window. It's dead.
Well, I should have never done that, Dumbo dog.
Well, now it's out there. Don't call the dog Dumbo. And it's not an elephant. One. Would you two idiots stop fighting? Who you calling an idiot? You! They started fighting.
Act like Scootaloo tried.
Oh, right.
Stop! Okay, I'm calling you an idiot because you keep fighting with... I'm calling y'all two idiots because y'all keep fighting over a dog. Stop calling my wife an idiot. Okay, then get out of my house.
Okay, you guys just quit fighting because this is not helping anyone. I know I started this argument with the stupid dog.
Wait a second. I think I know what's happening.
Wait, what's...
The tornado is making us mad at each other.
Not gonna be not mad at me.
Because I love you.
Okay,
Oh, that tickled me. But I think that's what's happening. So let's all reunite downstairs in a safer ground.
Ask me back a little bit, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna lay down. I just laid down. Ooh, it's cold on this floor.
It is?
Yeah, my belly's cold. Oh, my finger's in the way.
Okay, so let's all... I'm just going to tip that like that. Okay, that's how we're just going to play right now. That way I can actually, like, fit them under here. And the kids can get up here and play. Because kids all want to play.
This is so much fun!
You said the animal don't almost die.
And then, okay, shh. Okay, no, stop recording. No! One. One. No, just let the dog die. I can't believe you let the dog die.
Shush! Please!
Yeah, what if we don't want to?
Well, too bad. Yeah, we should really be quiet because there's babies here. And babies tend to cry.
Well, tough toenails.
Shut up! Now! You said a cuss word? Yes, I sure did. Because your mom and dad and everybody else in your family keeps arguing, except us. I don't want to hear any more of it.
You're not my mom.
Okay, I'll get your mom.
Oh, no! No, don't give me exactly my mom.
Stop cussing. I mean,
I ain't cussing. Oh, my God.
Stop fighting.